Got a few more crackhead polypores here too. Check out this one. Can you see that? And then here, we wrap around and see a few more. Shoot, I got the sun super bright. Let's try to get that out of the pic. There we go, look at that. And down there. But if we turn over here, look way up yonder. Heck yeah. Shoot. Right there, guys. It appears to be Fulviphimes robineae. You see that? Looks like locust, and that looks like the polypore of that species. Let's go check it out. I don't think I took the easy path, guys. Shoot, bear with me. Let's hope I don't fall through the cracks. We're almost there. Over the briar. Here we are. Get around here. Oh, check that out. We got a couple small ones down here. Crackhead polypore. Was known as Pholinus robineae. Now they know it as Fulviphimes robineae. And look at those cracks in the cap there. It's up there about 10 feet. I want to zoom in. Heck yeah. Subscribe for more.